This is a video for students on how to access Canvas online learning at home. The platform that students will need to use to do this is through Google Chrome. Canvas will not work with Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, so if you do not have Google Chrome on your device at home, you will need to download it in order to access the online learning. So the first step is for students to open up a Google Chrome web browser. So depending on your device, like the HP that I have here, you might use the Windows icon and scroll down until you find the Google Chrome icon. Okay, and it will bring up a web page. The next step is to go to the Cambridge Park High School website. You can do this through two ways. One is Googling Cambridge Park High School website, or going directly to the website using the address cambridge-h.schools.nsw.gov.au. This will take you to the school's webpage. And the next step is to click on the portal tab on the front page. This will then allow students to click on the link to the student portal where they will use their department username and password. So where I've got my cursor here, you'll click on the login to the student portal, which will take you to another web page where students will put in their username and password. This is what students would use at school when using the Chromebooks, so the students should know what their username and password is. So this will open up the student portal dashboard, and as you can see, we've put a link to Canvas on the dashboard on the main page, so students need to click on that. And this will open up another login page, so Microsoft account. Now, because this page has already been logged in using the student's email address, it's gone directly in. But for the first time, if students have only logged into it for the first time, they'll need to put their department email, which will be their first name, a dot, their last name, and perhaps a number, and then at education.nsw.gov.au. And this will bring the student to their Canvas dashboard, which you can see here. And these are where they'll access their courses. So I'll click on one of the courses, so 11 Aboriginal Studies, and all of the courses have the same homepage. So all Cambridge Park High School courses have exactly the same homepage, which you can see here. So they've got the four icons. So if you click on coursework, okay, the student will then see what their modules are. So this one is cultural identity. They can click on the module. So this one is about what impacts heritage and identity, and the teachers asked them to view the clip from the documentary, The Australian Dream. So this has all been linked to the resources that they need to access their learning. So the student will click on the link required, and then they would view the video or YouTube clip, or read the resource that they need to in order to complete that learning. And then once the student has used Canvas and they're finished with it, they'll go to Account and Log Out. I hope this video has been useful. There will be more videos to come on how to navigate Canvas for students. So thank you very much.